Hello guys! Naka-animay height ako, mag-sombrero. Hi guys! Hi guys, cookie time!
Bake kami ng... Ano bake natin?
Cake.
Anong bake? Bake kami ng...
Now, I'll put by myself. Ako po mag-mix din.
Sugar.
Was?
Yes. What's this? Brown?
Brownies.
Brownies?
Brown.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Was?
Yes. Go.
Kung halat?
Apo. Tak-tak mo.
Ako ang milk.
Go.
Uy!
Ganun lang, oh. Slow. I will help you.
Makes like my dress.
It's okay. Just change na lang later.
But I want to be a beautiful one.
You're still beautiful.
Miss. Ang sobrang lamig. Ano, boss?
Yan, ako. Uy. Mix it. Slowly. I'll help you.
I just drink water. My first? Why?
Okay.
Kunti.
Ito na po ang aming na-bake na crinkles. Dust kami ng powdered sugar. Taste it first.
Yummy.
Yummy agad.
Taste time.
Yan siya, oh. Yeah. Hindi masyadong matamis.
Okay.
You like it?
Wait. I'll eat my M&M's. Wait guys. Wait lang guys.
M&M's pa si Inday Aya. Abay? Abay.
Bye.
Bye.